So on my guitar body, what I've got so far, I've routed the front and the back out to the shape and the size it's going to be. And I've also routed out for the plate in the back, the cavity for the controls on this side, the back, and also the control for the what they call tremolo switch, forgot what they call it, but bridge neck switch basically. And I've got it routed out where it'll come through where the humbuckers are and can run the wires. I also have a bridge wire here so I can ground my bridge and run into that cavity and ground it. I also have the front routed to the same size and everything. I'll do some finishing on it once it's glued together because there's going to be a little bit of a difference the way it worked out. But I've also got the cavity here for the wires to go through where the humbuckers are going to be. So in the humbucker cavity there, should be able to take the wires from them and run them right through the body. So this will be the top and the front. Switches here are volume and tone here. Can't think. And then the pickup selector switch here, three-way switch. Bridge, both, neck. And that's all routed out, and they match up pretty good. As I set them together, they do match up good. So what I'll go ahead and do, I'll go ahead and glue this together now. Then after that, I'll route out for the pickups and the neck pocket and all that, get it to its final thickness and everything, and route out, finish the cavities for the depth for all the controls, all that, and then shape it and maybe build a neck for it if I have time. We'll see. But the body's actually coming along, and this is the plate I used to figure out for the routing. I just kind of drew and then freehand with the router, so it's not perfect and everything. And then all the back cover for the switch, the three-way switch. So I did leave room for screws, so I'll have to go down a little bit and put these in so it's kind of countersunk a little bit. Get it the best I can freehand with a router. But that's what the body is going to be for now. Of course, I'm going to do some shaping. Probably put a belly curve in it, a curve for the arm here. I'll have lots of room. I won't have to worry about getting into any of the cavities. Get the neck pocket and then get it to its final thickness. I haven't measured the thickness. I need about 1 3/4, so let's see what it looks like here for thickness. That can't be right. Now, I'm a little bit thicker than 1 3/4, so I can sand quite a bit off on each side. Get it down to its thickness, because I've got it right now at 80 grit, something like that. It's 80-60 grit. So I'll probably I'll have to go step it down to at least 320. So I got quite a bit I can sand off. I just don't want to get too deep on this, because I did get a little thin on that cavity, so I'll take most of it off the front. Because the top, it's not that deep. I got a lot more room I can sand off. This I'll just get a decent sanding to and not go too deep. I got about 1/4 inch of wood left there between my cavity and the outside, so hopefully that'll work out. I'll have a guitar body where don't need a pick guard like a standard Stratocaster and all that. It's going to be kind of a mix of a Les Paul and a Stratocaster. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this together. I'm not going to put that on camera. You don't want to see me sit here gluing. And come back after I get some more done. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.